Here are the top sink and drain essentials that stop clogs, reduce mess, and make daily cleanup way easier. This is the Kitchen Sink Shroom, a clog-free stainless steel sink strainer that actually works. It catches food scraps without blocking water flow, so no more slow drains or messy cleanups. Just lift it out, dump, and you're done. Simple design, huge upgrade for any kitchen sink. This stone drying tray is perfect for your sink or counter. Made from absorbent stone, it pulls in water fast and dries naturally. No puddles, no mildew. Use it for hand soap, toiletries, sponges, or even small plants. Minimal, clean-looking, and super practical. An under-sink mat like this is pure peace of mind. It's waterproof, durable, and protects your cabinet from leaks, spills, and cleaning supplies. Easy to clean, non-adhesive, and great for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. One small investment that can save you from big damage. For bathroom sinks, the Sink Shroom Ultra is a must. It sits inside the drain and catches hair before it turns into a clog, without slowing drainage. Stainless steel, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Install it once and forget about sink clogs completely. The OXO 2-in-1 sink strainer and stopper does double duty. Use it as a strainer to catch debris, or press it down to seal the sink for filling. The grip is comfortable, the seal is solid, and cleanup is easy. Smart, well-designed, and very OXO. This clear Sink Shroom Drain Protector is perfect when you want protection without hiding the drain. It catches hair and debris before clogs form, blends into the sink, and cleans in seconds. Low profile, super effective, and a lifesaver for bathrooms.